Hello, welcome to Easy IL. Today is lesson number 9 and today we look at the mid chart. The mid chart is the combination of 2 or 3 different charts. So look at the screen, we have the examples. The pie chart shows the main reason why agricultural land become less productive, and the table shows this cause affected 3 regions of the world during 1990s. Okay, so this is the topic for today. Move on. So before we start, I'm going to remind you the structure that we use for introduction, 1 sentence, overview, 2 sentences, detailed paragraph 1 and detailed paragraph 2, 2 or 3 sentences, sometimes 4, sometimes, I put it 5 or 6 number. Okay, so we're going to write the introduction. For introduction, it's very simple, very easy. Just paraphrase the topic that you have, for example. So you can use indicate or illustrate. Okay, main regions, major cause, agricultural land, farmland, less productive, degraded, cause, factor. So we're going to turn the topic into the introduction. The pie chart indicates the major causes why farmland becomes degraded, while the table illustrates how the factor affected North America, Europe, and Oceania during the 1990s. So this is the introduction. Okay, move on. So we're going to write the overview. For overview, just write 2 sentences. Sentence number 1, you write about the first chart. Second number 2, the second chart. If we look at the first chart, you can see the cause. You can see the cause of degradation, over-grazing. The number is biggest. Look at the cause of degradation by regions. You can see Europe here, the number of biggest. So we say overall, the primary cause of plant degradation is over-grazing. Okay, that's sentence number 1. Sentence number 2. Is it also noticeable that Europe had a higher proportion of unproductive land than other 2 regions in the 1990s? Okay, so now we're going to lay out our body 1, body 2. And again, for the mid chart, it's very simple, very easy to do. Body 1, you talk about the first chart. Body 2, you talk about the second chart. Okay, but look at the first chart, you can see the cause of the land degradations, over-grazing 35%, deforestation 30%, over-cultivation 28%, are the causes 7%. Okay, body 2, the tables. When you look at the table, you have the total column here. You just focus on this column. You don't have to focus on this. Okay, Europe 32%, and you can see the main reason is deforestation. North America 5%, very small, and the main reason is this, over-cultivation. In Oceania, a little bit higher, 13%, and the main cause is the over-grazing right here. So this is the outlines, body 1, body 2. Okay, so you have to spend like 5 minutes to write down your outline before you continue to move on writing your detailed paragraph 1 and 2. So now we're going to write the body 1, body 2, and again you can watch my previous lesson on how to transfer on the layout into sentences and how to transfer sentences into a paragraph. Okay. About 35% farmland is degraded because of over-grazing. Okay. Deforestation caused about 30% of unproductive land, while the proportion of degraded land due to over-cultivation is slightly lower at around 28%. Okay, other causes account for only 7%. So that is body 1. Now we move on body 2. Okay, you can say begin with during 1990s, about 22% of Europe lands become unproductive. Uh, become unproductive, and the main reason for this were deforestation. Okay, so that's sentence number 1. Degraded land in North America accounted for a very small proportion, only 5%, and over-cultivation was the main cause. Okay, that's sentence number 2. Sentence number 3, the figure for Oceania were higher, some 30%, and the majority of plant and nutrition were degraded due to over-grazing. So this is the body 2. So now we have the entire essay. Once again, you have to pause the video, write this down, read this a couple times, and then you will understand everything that I'm talking about. Okay, so this lesson is very short, so you have a good day. I'll see you in lesson 10.